How to upload photos on DeepSeek application. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload photos on the DeepSeek application using your iOS or Android device. So this tutorial guides you through the steps to upload images for analysis or processing within the application. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over, open your DeepSeek application, click on New Chat, and over here you'll be able to see a plus icon. So you're gonna simply click on this plus icon and it will say photo OCR. That means you can take the picture in runtime. Image OCR, that means you can upload any image, and then you're gonna click on document in order to upload any document such as any Word document or PDF. Note that it should be a supported format. So first thing that you need to make sure is that the document or picture that you're uploading should have visible text so that DeepSeek can read that easily. And then, for example, if you're uploading picture of a question, then make sure that the text is readable for DeepSeek AI to read that. And once they read that, they're going to give you the suggested answers for that. And as easy as that, you can simply upload photos on DeepSeek application. With that, it's the end of today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.